Hi, this is James at McScoot's.com. You have most likely been invited to this page by one of our marketing consultants, or perhaps you simply came across it by chance. Whichever is the case, we wish to welcome you to the site and to thank you for your interest in the McScoot's Preferred Merchant Advertising Program. To become a participating merchant, there are a few simple steps you need to follow to self-register and to manage an account. In this tutorial, I will be walking you through the simple procedure to register a new username on the website, choose an advertising subscription plan, create a new merchant profile, and to manage your own profile once it has been created. This process will only take a few minutes and will set you on your way to managing a social media style business profile that can be updated by you 24/7, 365 days a year. You'll be in complete control of what the general public sees in regards to your merchant profile, and you do not need to contact us for the majority of changes you may need to make or to manage an exclusive offer that you are providing to our riding clientele. So the first step is to click on the button at the top of the page labeled Become a Merchant. If you are already on the correct page, scroll down to the 5 Easy Steps section and click on the orange button labeled Get Started. So that's right down here. This will take you to the advertising plans and pricing page, where you should take a moment to read through the details at the top of the page to understand which type of subscription is best suited to you. If you are a merchant with a physical business presence where customers must visit, and you are located along one of the routes listed under the Routes tab, then choose either the Basic, Pro, or Master plan. Our most popular option is the Pro plan, since it also includes design and printing of your coupon offer, your first batch of printed cards, and free social media shoutouts on all of our various platforms welcome you as a new PMAP merchant. If, on the other hand, you are a merchant who is not physically located along one of our routes, or you simply wish to advertise to an entire state or province or nationally across Canada and the United States, then choose either the local or the national option. Regardless of the one you choose, each plan provides a full year of advertising for the effective price of only 6 months. Once enrolled, you will have perpetual price protection for as long as your advertising account auto-renews each year. We believe in long-term relationships and repeat business with both our riders and our participating merchants, so loyalty is rewarded through our price protection plans. You also enjoy a 3-day trial before the billing even occurs. This gives you the opportunity to log in, create a merchant profile, and see if our platform is suitable for you. So now I'm going to walk you through the enrollment process using a simple promotional account so that you can see each of the steps required to create your own merchant profile. So I'm going to click on Select, and it's now going to take me to the subscription option page. If you choose one of the other options, of course, the price will show up here. And since I have not signed up the account that I intend to use just yet, I'm going to click on the Sign Up option, which will be the default option for most of you. So click on Sign Up, and then I'm going to log in using the account that I intend to use, which in this case will be McScoot's at theredmile.ca. And I have to create a password for that. And I'll click Sign Up. And I will save that as a password. Okay, so now it says, thank you for your order. You've successfully ordered a pricing plan. You'll get a confirmation in the email soon. So I'll click on Got It, and it will take me back to the home page. From there, I've now created a login, and there my confirmation just came in. So I will now go down to, in fact, let's go over and select the email. So there's the confirmation email you've ordered, in my case the basic promo plan, and to just visit us right there. I should also get an automated email welcoming me on board as a new member of the site. Now, this is default email that comes to anybody who registers on our site, so if you also want to create a rider profile to actually take one of our bikes for a ride, you would click on the Create a Rider Profile option. In your case, what we're doing is creating a merchant profile. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to click on Create a Merchant Profile. And that should open us up to the tab. And it will have me log in just to verify. So using the email I just registered with and the password, I will log in. Okay, so it takes me to this page by default called Create Merchant Profile. You can read through this for all the details, but what we're going to do is we're going to start to create one, and we're going to select a referral source. So the referral source will be the person who referred you to this site. So most of you will have been invited directly to this site by one of our marketing consultants. So I'm going to refer James Steele from ThoughtWorks. And the business name, in this case, is going to be called The Red Mile. And I'm going to add the business phone number and the website address, and make sure you put in the HTTPS part. Okay, so http://www.theredmile.ca. Physical address. And the city. Select your province or state and your country. Now what this will do when I hit submit is it will create a record in the database that can now be managed by me alone after I've already created the profile. So it was submitted successfully. That's great. It should bounce you over to the My Merchant Profile tab, which is also found under Merchants, My Merchant Profile. Okay, you can read through here. It gives you some more details on the type of information you can upload and why. I will then have to, as the administrator, create the profile and make it active. So that hasn't been done just yet. But I've now got notice as administrator that we've received a registration. So I will have to update that. You can't change that. You will also have an agent assigned to you. It may have been James Steele that referred you, but if he leaves the relationship with us and we assign you to another agent, or you register just off our website, not being referred, you will be assigned an agent from there. We're also going to select the McScoot's route ID. Now the route ID tab up here gives you the route IDs. So if you're a merchant physically located along one of those routes, let's just take a look at that for a second. Depending which route you're on, you might want to just check. And you'll say, yeah, I am located somewhere along this amazing route right here, so I'm going to register as a route 1. Okay, I'm just going to back up. So I could choose BC01. Now, the Red Mile happens to be an Alberta business, so I'm going to be registering as an Alberta local business, AB local. And we are in a tourist attraction, services and retail shopping, as well as some entertainment. And we have quite a few things that we offer. We're going to click off at least one of them here. We've got restaurants on there. We have marketing and promotions. In fact, that's primarily what the Red Mile is a marketing and promotions company. So because it caters to a database of other merchants similar to the McScoot's model, we're just going to leave it as a marketing and promotion. Now down here we get to put a short teaser introduction to your business, and we'll try to fit your content all within this box. Now I've already got some pre-programmed text. I'm just going to copy this out of here. Copy. I'm going to paste that into here. You can just type that in yourself, of course. It does put in your phone number, the website. If I have to make any change, like I made an error when I first registered it, I would have to adapt it here. Down here, the business detailed description. Again, I will toggle over to my profile. I've already typed in a lot of this ahead of time. And we're going to copy that into here. And down here, if you have a YouTube video that's already been produced, you can just grab that URL link and paste it right in here. And what that'll do is play a video automatically for you within your profile. I have not yet created one that I want to use for the Red Mile, so once that's created, I will come back and add that link into here. If you need ThoughtWorks to produce a video for you, just get in touch at www.thoughtworks.com, and we can create one for you. And then down here is the exclusive business offer of what I'm planning on offering. So I will just copy that text down here, paste it into here. Now, all I need to do is click submit, my content has been successfully submitted, and it should take me over to my profile to see what it looks like. Now you notice I forgot to include my logo, so I'll show you how to go back and do that in a second. But all the other information is there. I have not uploaded a video yet, so we've just got the McScoot's promotional video there, but my exclusive offer is presented. So I'm going to simply go back one tab, and I'm going to scroll down to the picture. I'm going to upload a logo. Okay, so I'm going to include this particular logo here. Click on open, and you'll see that it pastes it here waiting for me to click submit. Check everything else, make sure everything else is correct, and then I'll hit submit. And my item has been submitted, and it has pulled in the logo that I have just updated. Now, since I don't like the resolution of that particular logo, I'm going to scroll back, and I'm going to upload the other one. This is a higher resolution image, and I'll click submit. And our logo has been populated into the field. So this is everything that the general public will see when they come to look at the various participating merchants. You can see there's the brief detail about us, the type of industry that we're in, and the major broad category of marketing and promotions, our address. The route ID happens to be an Alberta local advertiser serving all parts of Alberta, and our phone number, some business details. No promotional video just yet. What I need to do is upload a video or provide that link at some point, but the exclusive offer is already provided. Now this gallery at the bottom, this is the only thing you'll need our assistance with. You can feel free to provide us with any number of coupons or pictures of your business or menu items if you're a restaurant, whatever you like to provide us. We have to proof all pictures, and then we will install them into a gallery that everybody will be able to see. So you have to get a hold of us in order to have those images uploaded. But everything else you can now manage on your own at any time throughout the year, just simply by going to the Merchants page or tab, My Merchant Profile, and then managing your information down here. If you change industries, change your logo, change your name or your details, or the offer, you want to update your offer, feel free to do so. This one here happens to be rich text, so you can format it with bolding, highlighting, even add attachments if you wish. If you make a mistake, you can always hit revert record if you didn't mean to make that change, and you can just jump back to view my listing. So that's as difficult as it is to create a profile of your own, manage it on an ongoing basis, and have the peace of mind that every year your advertising subscription with us will auto-renew at the same rate that you started with, regardless of how our pricing changes in the future. So if you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of us, and other than that, welcome to the program.